Welcome to our video journey where we explore the fascinating world of pronunciation, unraveling the mysteries behind each word and its usage. In this video, the word is academic year. Academic year. Academic year. Academic year refers to the annual period during which academic activities take place at educational institutions such as schools, colleges, and universities. It typically includes periods of classes, exams, breaks, and holidays. Here are some examples. Example number 1, the academic year at this university begins in September and ends in May, with a summer break in between. Why academic year is used in example number 1. Academic year is used to describe the duration of the university's educational activities, emphasizing the specific months when classes are in session. Example number 2. During the academic year, students are expected to attend classes regularly, complete assignments, and take exams. Why academic year is used in example number 2. This example uses academic year to specify the time frame during which students are engaged in their academic responsibilities. Stay tuned for more linguistic wonders and join us in unlocking the magic of language. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep speaking, writing, and embracing the beauty of words.